Today I am painting a chick, and I have different colors with the chick. It has white, blue, yellow, and pink. Raphael is starting his bunny. I'm gonna paint mine now. Hi. I'm gonna do blue. Hi. For the bow. Hi. Why?
You're doing white, Raphael? Yes, nice.
I'm getting the paint. I'm getting the paintbrush. I used blue, now I'm using white. For the dots. Dots. Dots.
Okay, now change the color, Raphael, and then put color, Mama. Which color you want? Pink? You want pink? Okay, you dip it in the pink. And you color. Dip it more in the pink, please. Yellow? That's okay. You can do it. Blue? Yeah, good job. Yeah. Yeah, the bunny is so beautiful. Yellow?
Now I'm using yellow.
Good.
Look how it is.
That's so beautiful. Okay, where are you gonna put the yellow for the chick?
I'm gonna put the yellow on the body.
That's so beautiful. Good job, Raphael. Your bunny looks great. That's nice. Good job.
Looks great, Rob. And come high.
Yes, it's beautiful.
I'm putting some more yellow. I'm dipping it. And I'm dipping it some more.
Which color are you gonna do now?
I'm mixing blue and pink.
Okay, let's see what will happen. Where are you gonna use that? Where are you gonna use the blue and pink together?
I'm gonna use it up here. Hi!
Oh, look at the bunny. So nice. You're using lots of pink. Is it ready, Christian?
Not yet.
Can I see? Can I have a look?
Coloring the button.
Wow, that's nice.
I colored here now.
Good
The
job.
button.
Good job, Raf.
My chick is ready. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you next time. See you next time on tomorrow. Now, I'm gonna color these 4 Easter eggs and color the words and color these 3 eggs.
What word is this?
It's Easter.
Easter. Can you read the letters for us?
E-A-S-T-E-R-N.
What is this? Do you know?
A mark.
An exclamation mark.
Exclamation mark.
Good job.
I'm using pink. I'm gonna do pink for the stars. I'm halfway done.
Good job. Which letter are you coloring now?
A.
Good job.
Almost done. Just 3 eggs left. My picture is finished.
Where are you gonna put it?
In my bedroom.
Good job. Hi, thumbs up. Good job.
Bye bye.